Welcome to my channel. We're gonna board here airplane Delta flying to London, but right now we're gonna go to Boston. So give us a like, subscribe, support the work. We're gonna board the airplane here. So walking through this tunnel thing, like he has his skateboard here because he's gonna be skating in London, and then we're gonna go to London. We're gonna go to Sweden, and he's also gonna skate over there. So watch this space for more videos when we are traveling, international travel, to the UK for a week, then to Sweden for a week and a half. Yep. So we're gonna board over here. Yeah, I asked the pilot if we can bring his skateboard in, and they said yeah.
Pilot?
Yeah.
He's flying the plane?
Yep. Usually it's not one, it's like two of them. So join us here. We're excited. We love traveling. We love flying. The sound you hear, that's a airplane. Alright, we're gonna go in here. That's him. So you can see he's pretty excited over here. $30.
Okay, I think they will. Yeah, okay.
610. Keep walking all the way back. 3021.
Like kids sitting alone, so they might need a little help to
Yeah, keep going. 30.
get off quickly as possible.
Thank you, sir. 28, 29, 30. To your left, right here. So that's where we're gonna sit.
What am I supposed to do?
See, back there it doesn't have a lot of people. So he's sitting at the window. That's the front of the airplane over there. That's outside. That's a wing. You're gonna have a nice view when we fly. Alright, give us a like, subscribe. See you in the next video.
Oh yeah, JC, I was trying to
Flying to Boston, then we're going to the UK.
stay on the phone.
That's him.
Take out so you can see it.
Peace out.